water wipe now. I wipe it as now. I reset the meter. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, now. So as we're going down in the pipe, we now give it a jet out. So this is the connection on the side there.
Branch right there.
Yeah, there. And we're back to the wall.
You could see what was causing this clog here.
I didn't see that.
Well, if it squeezes or something or break,
yeah, that eliminated.
we'll be able to see exactly what caused it in the first place.
Yeah, that joint that then pushed through you.
Yeah. Okay, still man.
Disintegrate that code. You see how much you get rid of.
One little belly right there. What is that there? You see like something there? Right, that's our color. Let's still look at there's particles floating. We have a little belly line there. That's everywhere supposed to be flat and with no water. Where the glare coming from, right?
That's serious good
Belly there.
Yeah, we'll come back and wash the camera head. Yeah.
Coming up for a breath of air there inside there.
No, we out now. But the camera head dirty.
Oh, how dirty?
Yeah. And then there's the bend here. See?
Yeah. That way looking for see so. And I was saying we still underwater.
The bend. Yeah, we going down. What is this? We going down or something?
I can't
Yeah,
tell
every
the
time you
car
go
out.
down and
We know going down.
and look the run here.
When you're watching through the camera, you can't really make it out.
This is the 4
As
inch.
good as this. Yeah, we reach 4 inch.
Yeah, and okay, that pipe is. But we ain't seen it good. We don't want to take it out like
We
that.
pull out and
So they choke it right there. Right here.
Yeah, right to that big
Because
set of
it
water
comes in
is there.
belly in and whatever grease go in there and settle it.
Look,
So
we
you see
back
it come
out.
out back out good?
Yeah.
Yeah, clean here. Straight down to here, which looking, it could be a clean out there. It could be a T facing in a 45-degree angle. Seen it?
Yeah.
So it's a T facing, could be a T facing a 45-degree angle, and above that could have a clean out on it. Yeah, you see anything up in there like a clean out there? Oh, that is a pipe extender. So you could have a clean out right there. But this going down in a 45-degree angle. 94-inch piping, the connection. You run. So you run it.
Is that the main line?
Yeah, that's the main line.
Alright, so we at least we reach straight out.
Let me try and locate the main line. You locate the main line first, and then you locate the SU.
Which main line you want to locate?
Right to show that connection is, so we know which the run is. So we have an idea if waiting out could be up on that side.
Alright, yeah, cool. Alright, so we're going on, let's do a location here now. We'll end the video for now.